Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am your host Nathan, conflict management analyst and security expert. In this video, I shall be talking about the escalating tensions, unveiling the unprecedented Israel-Palestine conflict unleashed on October 7, 2023. In a shocking turn of events on October 7, 2023, an intense armed conflict erupted between Israel and Palestine militant groups, spearheaded by Hamas after it attacked Israel unprovoked with 5,000 rockets and a meticulously coordinated surprise offensive marked by a relentless rocket barrage from the Hamas-controlled Gaza Strip and a breach of the Gaza-Israel barriers by Palestinian militants unfolded, leaving a trail of devastation. The offensive claimed the lives of at least 1,400 Israelis, with a heart-wrenching 260 people massacred at a music festival. The brazen attack also saw unarmed civilian hostages and captured Israeli soldiers, including women and children, transported to the Gaza Strip. Responding swiftly, Israelis declared war on Hamas, infiltrating retaliatory strikes to quell the escalating crisis. As Israel worked to clear affected areas and executed airstrikes in the Gaza Strip, the toll on Palestinian lives reached a staggering 2,339 by October 15, 2023. The United Nations reported a dire situation with nearly 1 million Palestinians internally displaced. Fears of humanitarian catastrophe intensified as Israel cut off vital supplies, including food, water, electricity, and fuel, exacerbating an already blockaded Gaza Strip. The conflict prompted the evacuation of 1.1 million Gazans as Israel and Hamas offered conflicting directives. Israel urging evacuation and Hamas encouraging residents to remain in their homes. Tragically, civilians bore the brunt of the violence, with accusations of war crimes hurled at both Hamas and Israel by United Nations independent experts and human rights groups. Shockingly, over 100 experts accuse Hamas of genocide. Internationally, protests erupted and hate crimes against Jews surged. The crisis marked a grim chapter in the long-standing enmity between Israelis and Palestinians, punctuated by a history of grievances. Hamas, in a departure from its recent approach, seemed to have been covertly preparing for this major offensive, known as Operation Al-Aqsa Flood, after avoiding major engagements with Israel in 2022 and most of 2023. The country drew condemnation from 24 countries, labeling Hamas actions as terrorism. Meanwhile, nations across the Middle East called for the escalation, attributing the root cause to Israelis' decades-long occupation of Palestinian territories. Numerous Arab states echoed the plea for the escalation. Tensions escalated further with reports of conflicts between the militants in Lebanon, including Hezbollah and Israeli forces on October 8 and 9. The international community responded resolutely, with United States deploying 2 aircraft carrier battle groups to the eastern Mediterranean, the United Kingdom committing warships and aircraft, and Germany providing military aid to Israel. In the throes of this grave conflict, the world watches with bated breath, hoping for a swift resolution and an end to the suffering of innocent lives caught in the crossfire. Thanks for watching. Bye.